All right, here we are at 6:15, and we treated the roof. You can see the moss is no longer a dark green; it's real light, and it's because it's all dying. Same thing with on the top of the garden window here. I did treat the top of this. I just pressure washed a little bit now off the edge. We can see this is a lot lighter than this. As a favor, I treated their driveway, kill any future algae from growing along here and splashing on the siding. Again, you can see the moss is dying up there. Same thing with the garage roof here. All the moss is dying. This whole roof here was treated. There's some staining on it. Might take some time to come off. I treated this concrete. This side was pretty inundated with lichens and moss. You'll see a little bit of staining from the roots of the lichen. Nothing that can be done with that, but it will dry out, turn gray, and fall off. All right, here looks really good. This again was really bad, lichens and moss, so much better. Up there in the corner, we were here till late last night working on that. And a lot of that up there was just chunks of moss. I rinsed that off the roof for them. Treat all this, a little piece above there, this, whole porch roof, porch fascia, way up there along the roof. There's some stuff stuck in the J channel up there, leaves and stuff. Again, this all turned out really good. Did all the fascia up here, had some staining on it. There's some staining here. Must have been something in there in the corner because that's where it's not oxidized. Did all of this. Again, there's some moss up there that's dying. Got rid of all this. There was algae all along here, and there's some mud wasp nests under there we got rid of. So yeah, looks really good. Took a lot of work, but we got it done. 6:15. Thanks. Talk to you guys later.